Greetings to all. I'm Saranya from the Department of English, Vishnu College. In this video, we are going to learn few facts about sonnets. Let's get into the video. We'll begin with a definition about sonnet from M.H. Abrams. A lyric consisting of a single stanza of 14 iambic pentameter lines linked by an intricate rhyme scheme. Sonnets first originated in Italian literature, and it is Petrarch who introduced sonnets into Italian literature. He wrote sonnet in 14 lines with 2 parts, and the first part is octave, which consists of first 8 lines of the sonnet, and the second part is sestet, and it comprises of 6 lines, the second 6 lines in a sonnet. In 16th century, it is Thomas Ewart who introduced sonnets into English literature. He followed Petrarchian form. The next type is Spenserian sonnet. Spenserian sonnet consists of 3 quatrains and 1 couplet. Each quatrain is linked to the next by a continuing rhyme. The rhyme scheme of this sonnet is AB, AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, E. The next type is Shakespearean sonnet, which was also known as English sonnet. Shakespearean sonnets consist of 3 quatrains and a concluding couplet. Rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet is AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GG. He wrote sonnet collection which consists of 154 sonnets and dedicated to W.H. Mann and Darkly. Next comes George Meredith, who introduces sonnets in 16 lines. He belongs to 19th century. He is a novelist and poet. The best example for his version of sonnet is Modern Love, which comprises of 50 sonnets. It got published in the year 1862. Next it is G.M. Hopkins, who was a Victorian English poet and Jesuit priest. He wrote sonnets in 10.5 lines and it was named as curtal sonnets. Best example for curtal sonnets are Pied Beauty and The Wind Over. Next to him is Dylan Thomas. He belongs to 20th century. He is a Welsh poet and writer who wrote sonnets in 19 lines. This consists of 5 tercets and 1 quatrain, and this was named as Vernal sonnet. The rhyme scheme of this sonnet is ABA, 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 ABAA. I have given a list of sonnet collection in English literature in this slide. Edmund Spenser is the first one who wrote Amoretti, which comprises of 88 sonnets and got published in the year 1595. Philip Sidney's Astrophel and Stella, which consists of 108 sonnets and 11 songs and got published in the year 1580. William Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets and it got published in the year 1609. Next comes Samuel Daniel's Delia. It is a sonnet collection which consists of 50 sonnets and got published in the year 1591. Next one it is Michael Drayton, who wrote a sonnet collection called Idea. Next it is John Milton, who wrote On His Blindness, and it is published in the year 1673. John Donne, who wrote Holy Sonnets or Love Sonnets. It got published in the year 1633. It is posthumously published work. Next to him it is Elizabeth Barrett Browning, who wrote sonnets from the Portuguese, and it comprises of 44 sonnets and published in the year 1850. Next one it is, we already discussed about this person, George Meredith, and he wrote sonnet collection called Modern Love, and it consists of 50 sonnets and got published in the year 1891. At last it is Christina Rossetti, who wrote sonnet collections titled House of Life, and it comprised 101 sonnets and got published in the year 1881. Thank you for listening this lecture, people. Learn a lot, love literature and learn a lot. Thank you all.